What was that? You did tree and it said 80% Microsoft what? Can you do it again? Can you show me the error again?
Sure.
And y'all are with who? You said you were with MS support?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 6 hackers found.
So let me know for what purpose is this computer apart from programming. For what purpose is this
I
computer?
mean, I do my shopping and my eBay and I do some gaming and
Okay.
uh, other stuff.
Are you the only one who uses computer apart from even anyone else's?
Yeah, no, this one's just me.
You're the only one. So like, I hope you already saw the errors and points to the computer, right?
Yeah, I saw the errors.
Can you see there?
Yeah, look at all those errors. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with all of those. How do I fix them?
Like, don't worry, I'll help you to fix them, okay?
Okay.
And what is the antivirus software you're using to protect the computer?
I don't have a software to protect the computer. Oh, wait, I think I have um, Defender? Is that what it's called?
Which one?
Defender? It's like,
Defender.
yeah, Defender.
Okay. So like, we can help you to fix all those issues in the computer, okay?
Okay.
And we even provide the tool which will clear all the errors and points, okay?
Okay.
So for that, there'll be service charges, okay?
Okay.
So the service charge will be $99.99.
$99 to fix my computer?
Yep.
Okay. Can you show me what like could you show me how you would fix one error before I pay?
Like it will be only like it is the same time it will clear all the errors. You know, like it's not the thing where we can just fix one error and help you to get rid of the other error.
Oh, you can't fix one error?
Yeah.
Huh. Okay. I don't know. $99 is a lot of money.
Like, are you a programmer in video? Like, do you work on Visual Studio?
Yeah, sometimes. That's just what was left
So what do you
open.
work for? So you're a software engineer?
No, I do SQL.
What is that?
I do SQL.
Chico?
SQL.
Can you spell it for me?
SQL. SQL. Yes.
SQL, okay. SQL, okay. So you work on SQL also?
Yes.
So to whom you work for?
I work for myself at my house.
Oh, so do you prepare your own programming and sell them to other people?
Well, I just use tools that I find online and I just download them randomly. If it looks like it works, I just install it. I'm not sure what they all are. This is just stuff
Oh,
that works.
so like you without knowing all the tools, I install the tools like Visual Studio and SQL.
Yeah, when it says that I have to use Visual Studio to do something, I just use Visual Studio.
For what purpose?
Well, I mean, when I get tools on the internet and they say that they need Visual Studio, so I use Visual Studio.
It's a pretty old tool. Might be it has been upgraded, but it's a pretty old tool. So I understand that you know pretty well about the computers and about the programs what you're using. You know, you're playing with us. It's okay.
Okay.
So, like, to whom you work for? Do you work for any software company or big organization?
No.
Mm-hmm.
No. I'm retired.
You're retired? What's your age?
I'm young, but I'm still retired.
You're young and you're still retired. How old are you? Just tell me how old you are.
I'm 37.
37?
Yes.
How long you have been working on this program?
Uh,
On the Visual Studio?
I don't know. A while.
You don't know?
No, a while.
Sorry?
Just a while. A while.
It's a while, okay. So do you want me to fix all this in the computer?
Yeah.
So you have to pay $19 for that. Will it be okay?
I have to pay $19?
99.
99. I don't know. Well, show me what the errors are and tell me what they mean so I can understand if I need to spend the money to do this now.
Like I think I already showed the errors and points what you have in the computer. Right? You got approximately 8,000 of errors and points, and it can make your performance low down. Get randomly freeze.
Okay, so if I was gonna pay, how would I?
Sorry?
If I was gonna pay, how would I? Do you have a website to go to where I could put in my info?
Yeah, I'll just take you to my website where you have to fill all the information
Okay.
and do the payment for your own.
Okay.
Okay? Do you know how to remove this files here?
Nope. Oh no. That didn't look good. So what's the website where I go to pay so that you can fix all my errors?
I'll let you know. I'll just let you know. Okay, I'll just let you know. Like the link is on the way to me in my messenger. Once I got the link, then I'll copy it and paste it to the browser. Okay?
Okay. Hello?
Hello.
Yes, hi.
Yes. Hi, sir. This is Sean from billing department. How are you?
Sean from the billing department. Oh, hi, Sean.
Sir, your voice is breaking. Can you please keep the phone out of the speaker, please?
Yeah, sure. I can keep the phone out of the speaker.
Okay. So I just want to confirm you, you have agreed for the service charge of $99.99, right?
Yeah, as long as I can do it on the internet.
Yes, definitely you'll be able to do that. So are you handy with your debit or credit card now?
Yeah.
Okay. So can we proceed for the payment now?
Okay.
Okay.
28 minutes of their time I've wasted. I'm pretty sure they understand that I'm trolling them at this point, but they don't seem to act like it. We're gonna keep going. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, I'm just sitting here waiting.
Sorry. Sir, are you sure that you want to pay and help you to get rid of the errors and money, or you just, checking with us, you're trying to play with us?
What? Say that again?
Sir, are you sure you want to pay us and get the help to get errors and warnings out of the computer?
Yeah, that's
Or you are just
or what?
okay? Once you pay the amount, we don't need any disturbance from your bank. Okay?
What? I'm sorry.
Okay. One second. Okay. One second. One second, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Can you just go ahead and fill the form there?
Okay. I'll go ahead and fill the form there.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay. So thanks for the payment, sir. Your payment has been.
You're welcome.
Hello.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah. Thanks for the payment, sir. Payment has been gone through. I'll just insert a tool for you so that.
Okay, so now y'all are gonna fix the errors?
Thank you. Bye bye.
Hey, wait. Are y'all gonna fix the errors?
Yeah, you paid us right. You paid us right.
Yeah, you saw. You were watching.
Okay, you have one more problem. I'll just show it to you, okay?
Okay.
So you're a programmer, right? You can do a big program now.
I what?
Happy birthday, sir. Happy birthday to you. You can just play your computer now.
Oh. Yeah, because, y'all have been trying to extort money from me. And look, now you're trying to delete everything on my computer. Oh, no. Why are you deleting everything on my computer? Why are you deleting everything on my computer?
I'm not doing anything, sir.
Oh, no.
Hello?
Okay. So, okay, looks like that finished.
Hello?
Hi.
Yes, sir. So from now on, you will be having a support with our company. So whenever you have any problem with the computer, you have to just give us a call and we will provide you the support, okay?
Okay, but I've still got all these errors.
These errors will be running in your computer. What you have to do is, have you got kerosene in your home
Kerosene?
or petrol?
I do have petrol.
You do have petrol, right?
Yeah.
Have you got a lighter?
Oh, yeah, actually I do.
Yeah, just throw some petrol on your computer and you can just light it up.
Just light it on fire?
Yeah, light it on fire.
Will that prevent
Remove all the errors from your computer.
Will that prevent you from taking advantage of ignorant old people and taking their money?
Definitely, definitely.
It will? That's good. That's good. So oh man. Oh man.